Hello everyone, HillBilly here again with another video of metal detector. Today we're at a park in one of the cities here in Southern California, and we thought we'd give it a try. We're waiting for the wifey to get done doing some of the things that she does, and so we thought we'd take about an hour or so and swing the metal detector and see what we can find. Right here, let's I think it's a penny. Let's see if we can just ring up like a penny. Oh, it is a penny. There you go. Sorry about all the silence. We're in the park. We like trying to keep things nice and quiet, and we'll also make sure that we cover our holes real well. Sounds like we may have what looks like a dime, maybe. 25 to 27, 22 there. But let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Sometimes it must be pretty deep. I don't know. It's right up against this tree area. Let's get our highest setting here. Well, we're gonna have to do a better job at pinpointing it, but it does sound like a dime. It's deep. Alright, we're gonna have to dig a little bit. I think it's right in here somewhere. Got some roots in here. Huh. Well, we're not coming up with it. Sure hate this, but let's see what we got. Wow, just don't know. It's kind of puzzling me. Maybe it's on this side of the root. Oh boy, I'm not one to be digging. Right down in there. Sounds like we're getting a little closer. Wow, I bet it's underneath the roots. Well, we're not going to be digging under any roots, I can tell you that. Let's close this up so nobody sees us and thinks we're digging to China, which it feels like we are. Oh, right there, look at there. And I think it's a dime. Oh no, it's a penny. All that digging for a stinking Lincoln. But hey, we'll take it. Another one for the pouch. So, now, for any of the newbies, which, make sure you clean up, fill the hole. Sometimes in some parks, I'll actually use a towel and put all this dirt out there. And then try not to get the dirt in the thing, and then we'll pack it down really good. There we go. Over here underneath the shade tree, we got another good hit. It seemed like a penny. Maybe a little deep, though. It's right in that area. Let's get the shovel, see what we can get. A lot of tree roots around here. Oh, one of them stinking bottle caps. It's Bud Light. Don't care for it, but anyways, another one for the pouch. How about I give you a look at the place? It's really nice. Got a little kitty tot lot over there. I guess it'd be a tot lot. A lot of people just... Not a lot of people here today, but a beautiful place, some shade trees. Bring the kids to play and stuff. Yeah. All right, back to swinging. One of my favorite places to swing. Bottle cap, or maybe. Let's check this one here, 1920. Man, we'll get it here pretty soon. Get the shovel out. Man, they sprinkled a little bit here with the sprinklers today, so that's in the plug of it. Huh. Oh, look at there. I found a penny. Hey. Boy, that one's be in the hole. Look at that. It's zinc and Lincoln. See it corroded all the heck. It's been there for a little while. What is that, a 2011 or something? Alright, another one for the pouch. We just got a hit here. It's like 25, 26. Most of the time, I'd find those as being dimes. But sometimes, whenever I get that pinpointer out there, and I get it and it seems like it's really big, it's either going to be shallow, or it's got to be something bigger like a cap. There it is. See, for the plug, it was a dime. Of course, we could only wish it was silver. Huh. Looks like a 1968. Well, we're getting close. Alright, I'd no sooner turned the the camera off, we'd found that last dime right here. And look what we got here, another one. And a hole right next to it. And this one looks to be 1995 dime. Yeah, another dime for the pouch. Wow, okay. I just got a hit for like 13. Where was it here? Came up as a 13. Those normally are nickels. They can be, I guess they could actually be gold too, but love nothing more to get that back. Wow. Maybe it's still in the dirt. Huh. So it must be still in here. Right there it is. And it is a nickel like we thought. Yeah, kind of worn, a little old, can't really make out the date. But a nickel for the pouch. We're over here in the playground area now. And I thought I heard something here a little bit. And there it is. $19.20. I'm gonna say it's probably a penny, but I'm not sure. Let me get the pin pointer out. Oh, look at here. And it's a new drop. Boy, that's a shiny one. 2018, nice brand new one. Anyways, another penny for the pouch. Just a little bit ago, right on the other side of the swings here that you see, I just found a token, and it was a restroom token. I don't know if it's very old, but there's the pole. Pole again. Yeah, but I found a little restroom token. It said, try to keep the bathrooms clean. I also found a bullet. Must have hit that concrete tube over there, but it was in the ground. It had been fired, looked like a rifle shell. I'd got that out. Yeah, that's just little chars of aluminum all over the place here. A lot of times they keep these pretty clean. If other detectorists come around, these are the first spots they always hit. That's a char of aluminum. Well, that's either aluminum or a nickel. And it looks like a surface drop. But let's check. Could be gold too. Nope. Aluminum foil or aluminum pull tab. Boy, aren't those wonderful. We got a little handful of those today too. Let's see. Put that in the pouch. No, nothing else. Here's our finds. We've been out here about 2 hours, just kind of fiddle farting around. Didn't find very much, as you can see on the picnic table here. I got, you know, pull tabs, bottle caps. I did find a pretty unique little restroom token that I've never seen before. It's kind of small. From Nico Lock, restroom token. On the back it says, help keep our restrooms clean. Of course, that's what we do all the time when we're in there. We did find a 1968 dime, a couple dimes there, only 168, couple nickels, quarter. It looks like about 12 different pennies. We did find a bullet. Looks like an old rifle shell, actually, probably. Anyways, then some other little hairbreadth. Not a whole lot. But anyways, we'd like to say, after I mess around with this, I'd like to say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, give us a comment, give us a thumbs up, share us. I'd like to see all of you continue to follow with us in the adventures of metal detecting with the HillBilly, and I'll talk to you later. See you the next time.